This is basically plant growth chamber manufactured by Execta Furnaces, New Delhi. The outer body is made up of mild steel duly powder coated. As you can see, the finishing of the powder coating. And then you have a door. You have to open this door by unlocking with the help of keys. And then you have a transparent view door from which you can view the samples of your specimen. You have to open this door like this. And this is all, the chamber is made up of SS stainless steel 304. These are the trays which are placed in the ribs of the chamber. You can place this trays according to your own need by replacing it from one rib to the other ribs. And there you have the humidifier which will create the humidity in the chamber. And then you have two blowers inside the chamber of the plant growth chamber to make sure that temperature will be uniform inside the chamber. By this way you have to unlock the door. This is transparent door so that you can view the samples inside the chamber. To install plant growth chamber, first of all you have to ensure that proper supply is available at the main point, that is 220 volts AC. Then you have to switch on the MCB. If there is a noise coming of low water indicator, a beep is coming, it means that water is less inside the tank. So you have to fill that water first, then you have to operate the machine. So there you have the two pipes for the water inlet and outlet. You have to attach one pipe with your water tap for the inlet of the water and the other pipe is for the drainage. Then we have the other option also from where you can pour in the water inside the chamber. You can pour in the water inside the chamber from here also by opening this screw and removing this plate. You can pour water from here also. You can also use small mug if you want to pour in the water with the help of mug. It will be easy for you. After filling the water, you have to lock the screw. Now the tank is full of water, so the beep will not come again. There is no voice of beep now because the water tank is full. Now you have to set the temperature according to your need by pressing the push button. You have to scroll the key clockwise to increase the temperature. And anti-clockwise if you want to decrease the temperature. The same way now you can set the humidity for this particular temperature. Anti-clockwise, decreasing the humidity, and clockwise, rotating the knob to increase the humidity. So we have set the first temperature at 13 degree and the humidity for the first temperature at 70 degree. Now we have to set the second temperature by rotating the knob again. We have set this temperature at 20 degree. Second temperature. And now the second humidity. By rotating the knob anti-clockwise, we are decreasing the humidity and we have set it at 66. So our first temperature is 13 degree and our first humidity is 70 degree, 70%. And our second temperature is 20 degree and second humidity is 65%. And this is timer, sequential timer for both these set point for temperature 1 and temperature 2. R1 will indicate that it is going for temperature 1 and R2 will indicate that it is showing for temperature 2. It is a 999 hours timer. So like if you will set 001, it means it is a 1 hour timer. And if you will increase it 002, then it is a 2 hour timer. And again if you will set it 003 in the R2, it means it is a 3 hour timer. So the timer will automatically switch off the temperature 2 after 3 hours. And now once the temperature is achieved, then you have to on the humidity switch like this. Only once the temperature is achieved. This is only for the first time when the temperature is achieved. After that you will have to keep it on. Like right now our temperature is 13, so we have to switch it off. Once we'll reach 13 degree, then we have to on the humidity button. This arrow will indicate you that it is 9 AM in the morning or it is in the evening. If it will be in the evening, then this 21 number arrow will come down here and this arrow will reflect 21. Now it's 9 AM in the morning and if you want to keep it off for 2 hours, the light will remain off for 2 hours. After you will pull down this 8 needles to the back. One pin is of 15 minutes. So you have to pull back 8 pins to make sure that the timer will remain off for 2 hours. From 9 to 11, now this timer will remain off. Now as you can see, the light is not working. But if I'll move this pin downwards, it will start, the light will start again, like you can see. So it is 9 AM in the morning, that is why the sign is showing 9. Like if you want to set it in the night, then 23 will come instead of 9. Oh, 21 will come instead of 9, which indicates that it is a 24-hour timer. So if you want to keep it, the light off for 2 hours, then you will have to pull back this pin, 8 pins to the back. And now if you want to keep it off for 3 hours, then the other 4 pin also. But let's say if you want your procedure like this, that you want to keep it off for 3 hours and then you want to switch it on for 1 hour and then again you want to keep it off for 2 hours, then after 8 pins you will leave 4 pins over here and then you will, after 4 pins, again you will pull this pin back, 8 pins back, which means that after 1 hour the light will, after 3 hours the light will remain on for 1 hour, and after 1 hour again the light will remain off for 2 hours. So this is how this timer will work. This middle key, if you will scroll it down, that lights will remain on for 24 hours, and if you will keep it upwards it will remain off for throughout 24 hours. But if you keep it in the middle, then it will work according to your timer, which I have just prescribed you.